Assalamu alaikum everyone. Alhamdulillah, after getting a massive response from my videos online, especially the one that chronicles my journey from madrasa to English language training, I am excited to announce in-house training or offline classes at First Lancer for language learners. It's an amazing and excellent opportunity for the people who want to lead a very successful personal and professional life, because I strongly believe that one language sets you in a corridor for life and two languages open every door along the way. I mean, English happens to be the language that opens door for better employment opportunities for your higher studies in India and abroad, and you get a better social status. In our classes, our focal point is to make our students capable of speaking in front of everyone. We want to iron out their stage fright, and we will start from the very basics. If you are good at English, you can write and you can speak well, and you want to fine tune your fluency, you can also join. If you're in the comfort zone of your language, still you want to zoom up your vocabulary, you can also join. And I would like to make mention of one thing here, that we lay emphasis on the people who hail from madrasa background. I mean ulama and huffaz. I want to prove that even ulama and huffaz can speak English flawlessly, fearlessly and fluently. And I will do the best of my ability to achieve my target. And our classes will start from Monday, 17th January.